Learned how to make a living, but not alive. These are the times of fast foods with slow digestion and less nutrition, steep profits but shallow relationships, fancier houses but broken homes.
His Holiness, we look to you for showing us a way out of this paradox. We request you to kindly enlighten us.
Respected elder brothers and sisters, and then younger brothers and sisters. So now, since this country, I think, intellectual level, I think among Egyptian civilization, Chinese civilization, and also Indus Valley civilization, and finally Indian civilization. I think Indian civilization, produced most thinkers on this planet. So therefore, India traditionally have great potential. You see, the contribution for humanity through brain, because of intelligence, not just the faith. Since I realized the ancient Indian knowledge about emotion and how to tackle emotion, there's something irrespective whether believer or non-believer, believe this religion or that religion, this India's tradition is very, very relevant to today's world. In order to make some significant contribution for rest of the world, firstly, this ancient Indian knowledge must revive within this country. Now time comes, should pay more attention for study, not sufficient just to carry some rituals or some pujas. Must pay more attention about ancient Indian knowledge, including logic. That's very, very important. So therefore, in order to make significant contribution for 7 billion human beings, firstly, those ancient Indian knowledge must revive within the country. So I'm, not only me, about around 10,000 monk students and few thousand non-students. They study as I study. So these, I think, I feel, can make certain contribution regarding revival of ancient Indian knowledge. So this I want to share you. Modern education, modern technology alone, no guarantee to bring inner peace. Because destroyer of inner peace is not weapon, but our destructive emotions, such as anger, suspicion, these things. So these will not disappear through prayer. Only through training of our mind.